Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. As promised, today we are going to do the Bitcoin BTC USD forecast revisit for the year 2026. So, this is the daily chart on BTC USD on TradingView. Bitstamp is the symbol, and this is the weekly chart. Okay, so you are seeing the earlier all-time high of 69,000 made on 8th November 2021, and then from there on the correction went on and we formed a low at 15,479. So this was the dark days in the history of Bitcoin when everybody was talking about it going to be extinct. Okay, Bitcoin will stay or not was the dilemma in the investors' mind. Okay, so this was the panic low formed here at 15,479 in the week of 21st November 2022. So as you can see, this is was a nearly 1 year plus 2 weeks or 3 weeks correction. Okay. So coming to the Gann analysis, we will be doing the Gann methods analysis with the help of Gann angles here predominantly, and let us see the Gann principle. Okay. As per the Gann rule, as per the Hermetic principles, there is a saying called as above, so below. Okay. So this was what Gann said using the Hermetic principles. Okay. So this high, if we take, okay, if we take the high of 69,000 minus the lows of 15,479 made here. Okay. So the difference is 53,521. So if we add this to the high of 69,000, so below as above, we get a target of 122,521. So as you know, Bitcoin made a high of 126,272. Okay, here if you'll see, we made a all-time high of 126,272. So as per Gann principles, this was the level to be cautious. Okay, on Bitcoin as per the Gann principles of as above, so below. So let us put this horizontal line. Okay, it is 122, 521. So you can see we got one close above this weekly close above this level, and then we could not close above this level. Okay, so this is one of the Gann rules which you can apply for any script, any index, any commodity, anything which you trade. Okay, so you need to study the Gann methods. Lot of methods have been given by Mr. Gann in his various books, mathematical, geometrical, astrological. Okay, so whenever you find those things, you have to go deep into it and study them carefully to make benefit out of them. Okay, so coming to the Gann angles. Okay, you can see there are rising angles and falling angles on your screen. Okay, so these are not as per any software, these are mathematically designed. Okay, so you need to go deep and study how uh, they are designed, or they can be drawn on your charts without the help of any software. Okay, so in our forecast earlier we had said that this angle was forming as resistance. Okay, so this was the first attempt made here, this was the second attempt, a double top at one of the price cycle levels here, and we came down to this support angle. So this was one support here, second support here, this was the overthrow, then we conquered this angle again, went and formed resistance here. This was the intermediate angle which was forming the support, which was broken here. Again we came back here, overthrow, again the recovery, again this price cycle. Okay, then overthrow below this angle, and then the final top. Okay, so you will see here we did not reach the angle here. Okay, so this is what Gann has said when you use Gann angles. Okay, so if you fail to reach the angle, then there is definitely going to be a overthrow on the downside. Okay, you will see here touches on the angle and touch here and bounce back. Okay, so whenever we fail to reach the angle here, you as you can see here, we failed to reach the angle, so we got a overthrow on the bottom side. Okay, so from here you could have, if you had known the Gann angles, how to draw them, then this angle was going to be the support angle. Okay, and this angle was taken out here in 10th of November 2025 near the time cycle here, and we got a support here, and then this price cycle was forming the support here. Okay, you can see lot of weekly lows here, and again this pullback could not reach the angle here, so definitely this angle was going to be in danger, and we came here. Again we could not take support here, and we took support here on this angle on 2nd of February 2026 week. Okay, So below this we have important price cycle level coming here. Okay, so this is a psychological level. 50,000 is going to be a psychological level for Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see one bottom forming here at 49,577, and earlier top was at 49,048. So these are the 2 points you need to watch. Okay, so for recovery, we need to at least go above this angle. Okay, this angle for any recovery. Okay, so the time cycle dates for Bitcoin are, one was 16th February. Okay, from there on we are in sideways, price coming early into the time cycle. This can angle was not broken on the downside, so we saw a pullback here. This pullback has, the candle has no strength here. Okay, so all the gains here were wiped off at the end of the week. Okay, again this is a small body candle, so whenever we get small body candles we need to be cautious. Okay, so next time cycle date for Bitcoin is 16th of March 2026, and the level is you have to watch is 61,956 on Bitcoin. Anything above this will start the recovery, and anything below this we are due for correction. Okay, so these two levels I have already mentioned here. Okay, one low is 49,577 and this was 49,058. So if we stay below this level mentioned here, then we could hit these levels as support. Okay, so after this time cycle date we have another date coming in at 18th of May. Okay, 18th of May. So from here, if we do a recovery, then this level is going to be very, very important. And if we drop below, then this level is going to be very, very important. So the figures on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen, you need to watch this level and this level. Okay, so important time cycle dates are 16th of March 2026 and 18th of May 2026. Important price levels are this and this. Okay. So traders, investors can watch this level as your trading bias. Above this, the trend is going to be positive, and below this, the trend is going to be negative. Okay. So for Bitcoin, we need to move out of the shadow of this falling Gann angle. Okay. So this shadow crossover is here on 18th May. If we do not cross this here, then next time cycle angle shadow is coming here on 17th of August 2026. Okay. So we have two time cycle dates to watch for Bitcoin to come out of this shadow of falling angle. Okay, so that's all from me here at Gann Supremacy for the Bitcoin. As promised, we have put the video for BTC USD. So next we will be doing the crude oil. Okay, US oil analysis. Okay, So there was no forecast done by me for the oil for the year 2026, but we will try to visit US oil in the next video. So keep watching this channel Gann Supremacy for further updates on world markets, okay, and the Gann trading systems which we use to do our analysis. So if you want to learn the Gann trading systems, then you need to visit our website at gannsupremacy.com. You can go to the courses section here. There is a short term course which uses our indicator, which is Gann Supremacy version 3691. We have recently updated the indicator. So, this is the course where we teach how to use our indicator effectively for any script that is available for trading on TradingView. Okay, so it could be any stock, any index, any commodity, any option, anything. Okay, so you can use our indicator, which is designed on the law of Gann's law of vibration. Okay, so this works every day and keeps you on the right hand side of the market for trend identification and deriving your trading levels, where to buy, where to put the stop loss, and where to take the targets. So, this is one of the short term courses we are offering, and then we have three long term courses where we do the intraday trading course in Gann trading systems. Then, this is the positional price cycle course where we talk everything about price available in Gann trading systems. And then this is the combined course where we talk everything about the intraday, about the positional price, and along that we teach time cycle trading also. Okay. So the details, what is going to be taught in the course, everything is given in the blog. Okay. You can see. If you are interested in learning, then you can go and visit here, make the requisite payment, and enroll and get the authentic GAN knowledge. Okay, so this is all from me here at GAN Supremacy. Thank you for watching it till here. Have a great trading week ahead. Thank you.